Hello, hello. Today being a day of moving from the place where Anna stayed for a couple of nights and moving into the place where she will live, which will you already know from yesterday's video. And the plan for today is to do the refresher for the Sidemount, just a little bit remind how to put it all together, getting in a water and just enjoying the time there. As you can see from the footage, everything went well. Anna felt really comfortable, even she haven't been diving and doing Sidemount dives more than a year. But you know, last year we spent a lot of time on skills drills again and again and again. There was even in some point Anna was even crying because it was just emergent. She's a small girl, but there are so many skills and it's all really serious. We did diving in Chandidas where the conditions are pretty tough, but she managed to do it. And now when we went into the water, she was worried, but when we went into the water, the muscle memory is on a level when it's just simply happen. You don't have to really think about what you have to do next. You still remember. And it was so comfortable. Position is good. This is like a sign of, it's like I kind of always say, the instructor's biggest success is to prepare someone whom you can call your diving buddy. When you go in the water and it's so comfortable for both of you, when you understand each other with a simple signals, you just give a signal or you just look at each other and you understand each other. And that's what actually happened with Anna. Yeah, great feeling, really great feeling. A couple of days ago I heard that like 5 years it's a term when the instructor is active, when the instructor is full of energy, ready to teach. And once these 5 years are over, then everybody start cutting corners. And actually I have a tendency to agree with it, but that's what I've been always telling. I felt probably the same, but when I started teaching instructors, every IDC brings me back on a track again. Just simply, I'm going through the standards, and that makes me think about, okay, right, of course I know all the standards, but you know, it's the same like with the fasting. You once or twice a year someone is fasting, and every time when you do this fasting, you put your brain back onto the track. So they say, okay, so if I'm not eating the meat, then my brain, it's easier, all the processes is easier, I'm feeling more like it's easier for me to meditate, it's easier for me to think, it's easier for me to relax, I'm not thinking about that food that much anymore. It's like I have more free time for other things to think, not only thinking about, okay, I have to go to the shop to buy a food, I have to prepare the food. Just imagine how much time you spend the time a day for food, for eating. So the same thing is also with instructors. Kind of, these 5 years I agree with it, but on the other side I don't agree. If you do something with that, then definitely there's so many ways how to get over that. Thank you very much for watching me today again. Follow, subscribe, link below, thumbs up, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.
Она же тает, мне мужчина. Да.